Hello and welcome to the class. Here you learn how to draw the amazing and cute squirrel. My name is Patrícia Caldeira and I'm a professional illustrator. I've been drawing most of my life and I've done work for small companies, video games, YouTubers and much more. I know that sometimes getting started with drawing a new subject or just drawing in general can seem hard and quite intimidating. I've been there, and that's why I've created this class where I'm going to show you step by step the best and simplest ways to draw. This is a perfect class for beginner artists that want to start with something fun like animals, or for someone that just wants to try new and different subjects. I'll take you to drawing different positions like standing, sitting and sleeping, and also different perspectives like front, back and side view. For this class you'll only need a piece of paper and a pencil or pen, or if you prefer, a computer with the software of your choice like Photoshop and a drawing tablet. It's totally up to you and either way will work perfectly. At the end of this class, you'll be able to draw this amazing animal in a position of your choice, and you'll also improve your drawing skills in general. Thank you for your interest in this class. There's no reason to hesitate, so join now and I'll see you soon.